Today is the last day of 2024, December 31st, and I wanted to show you how to set up and install Synapse in PuppyLinux. This particular PuppyLinux is Vanilliadpup64, and after you install, it would look somewhat similar. I have to install a simpler screen recorder to record this, and that made minimal other changes so you can see it much clearer. So it does not come with the Synapse already installed as in some other PuppyLinux. Synapse is basically an application launcher similar to prun or gexec, and I believe Vanilliadpup has a gexec, and you can run LX terminal, for example, here, and but I think the clearly Synapse is much better than either prun or gexec. So first thing what we want to do is we want to download the Synapse, and Vanilliadpup64 you can use a terminal apt command. So first what you want to do is after you install, you want to just have it copy this update and apt upgrade -y. It'll automatically you won't have to choose yes or no, ampersand sign, and again apt install synapse -y. So what you want to do is just copy that over to a terminal. Middle mouse click will do it, and then enter to go ahead and install Synapse, and it also upgrades, and I've done it just a few minutes ago, so it didn't so it's already done. So next you want to just simply type in Synapse to get it set up. So we'll just go ahead and clear the screen. Ctrl-L will clear the screen, and then we'll say Synapse. And then what you can see is you have to be a little careful. Come all the way to the right side here, and there is a little button, so you can see preference, and you want to make sure that you want to click on tick on both start log screen and notification icon, both of them ticked. So you can see that there is Synapse icon here, and then change the default to Virgilio. This looks best on my computer, and on the other, I have another computer, and it also looks better than the default. So then you're pretty much set, and then just to double check, you can go ahead and go to root minus sign to make it smaller, Ctrl-H to bring the hidden folders and files, go to .config, auto start, and there's Synapse desktop that will go ahead and get activated on auto start. So when you boot next time, it will automatically start, and it looks just like this. So let me just close everything. So it's activated now, and what we can do is just Ctrl-spacebar will activate it. So you can calculator, for example, and LTFO will close it. Ctrl-spacebar will bring it up again. Rocks, filer, rocks. So, and then minus sign and Ctrl-F4 close again. So that's how you install, download and install a Synapse.